Alright, you guys, welcome back at another YouTube video. You just see me doing a little unboxing, on the DJI Mic 2. But let me tell you, I've been waiting a while for this to come into my hands, because honestly, I think it's an amazing product. I hear people saying amazing thoughts on it, and I was just so excited waiting for my package. Without further ado, you guys, let me bring out the DJI Mic 2, and this is the box. It comes with a DJI carrying case. This is the charging case, and I'm guessing the two transmitters and the receivers is in here. It comes with two air blockers, the charging cord to charge your case, and it comes with the camera aux for you to plug in with your camera. This is very convenient with your carrying case. You can put your DJI mic charging case in there with the system in there, and you can also have your Air Max, your cables, every extra cables you need to put in there. It's very convenient, but I really wish that they had a way for the Air Max to fit in here. That's the receiver and the two transmitters. This is the receiver. Alright, you guys, look at it. It's touchscreen. It also comes with a little knob. It comes with a receiver settings, transmitter settings, and then the settings all around. And this is where you take this off to put on your camera, or you could put it on your iPhone. Since I have an iPhone 15, I had to use the Type-C the cable. It also comes in the charging case. But you put this, you see these two cutout ways right here. Then you line it up like that, and you just push it in. Then you just go ahead, and then the best way to use these settings is going on your receiver settings. This is the screen you're gonna pop up that when you click the receiver settings, then you're gonna go to recommended camera settings. You go choose your camera. But if you're planning to use it with an iPhone, I'll show you guys how to set the best audio. You just go put your receiver gain at 6. Let's go. Now I'm gonna plug it up. What I was talking about, your Type-C will be right here, and your regular iPhone charger will be right here. This is what you're gonna use to import with your phone, and that's how you're gonna use your receiver. Also, this comes with Bluetooth, built-in Bluetooth, so you can also use these with Bluetooth. But I feel like it's just an incredible device. I haven't really heard the quality, but let's see how the quality runs. We're about to plug it in right now after we just got done doing a review. But yeah, this is how it's small, very convenient. It's very portable. It also comes with a magnet strip for, like, you can put inside your clothing. You can put inside your clothing and put it inside and out. And if you don't feel like wearing it like that, it also comes with a clip. It comes with a clip. You can put it on a hat, put it on your collar, somewhere on your backpack, wherever you place it at. It's very convenient. This is how you turn it on. You just hold it, and that's how you know if it's on. And this is how you turn on noise cancellation. It's very convenient where you can put the air blocker in. All you gotta do is push it down, and look at, boom, you had a nice DJI Mic 2. Alright, you guys, so this is what you guys are currently hearing. I already set up the settings, and I did a test, and I think it has high quality audio, but I think it's a very high quality recording mic, and I don't think anybody will disagree. I feel like the money you spend on it is the money you get. Like, this was $350 after taxes, like $380 in total. And my quality of my audio is way higher. I have so many features with the noise cancellation, 32-bit float, the low cut. You could record your audio and choose like distance you want to get recording. It got stereo, it got mono safety. It's like so many different features I could jump into. But it comes with 18-hour battery life, 14 hours with the 32-bit off, and with it on, it's only 11 hours with the storage audio. But you could just hopefully you guys have everything figured out by then, and you just gotta put the DJ mic at the Type-C to your MacBook or other computer, what type of source you're trying to edit off of, and then fix the audio, and then you have to restore it for the storage can be restored. And that's the same way how to update your DJI Mic 2, because there's maybe adding more features into it, but it's all in one ready to use device. It's Bluetooth, it's portable, it comes with 82 feet. Like, you could literally walk off and leave your camera behind and it will still be recording you. And it's just amazing product. It's incredible. It's a TrueSynth, and it's sleek design, small, and that's what I like about it. It comes with noise cancellation. Like, that's a big difference. Like, I think I'm using it right now. You won't hear the background, but before, at the beginning of the video, I had it off, so you can probably hear the background noise a little bit, just a bit. So this is helping for like the air. Like, it will capture the air. Like, it's like shh, shh, but it's on, so it's avoiding that, and I think that's so amazing. And it comes with it too. You would think you had to pay for it separately, but it does come with that. That's pretty much it, you guys. So, like, let me know if you guys want to see more updates about the DJ Mic 2 if you're more interested. But I think it's all together, all in one device, and it's very convenient. Hope you guys have an amazing day. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the DJ Mic product, and let me know other products you want me to test out for you guys.